Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are keeping well. Today we are going to revise the exercises of lesson number 1 and 2, which are given in the end of the lesson. So, the first question in your book is do you find that all living beings need the same kind of food? Question number 1. Do you find that all living beings need the same kind of food? So the answer is no. All living beings do not need the same kind of food. We know that different organisms eat different kind of food. This is because of the difference in their structure, requirements and habitats, etc. So children, I have already explained that all living beings do not need same kind of food. All living beings eat different kinds of food, and we have also learned that on the basis of food habits, animals have been divided into three categories, and these are herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. So the answer is no, all living beings do not need the same kind of food. The next question is question number 2. Name 5 plants and their parts that we eat. In my first video, in our first class, children, I have explained this, that how different parts of different plants are eaten as food, in which I have explained that how the roots are eaten as food, like carrot and radish. Sometimes we eat stem of the plant like potato, onion, ginger. Sometimes we eat leafy vegetables and even flowers and fruits of the plant as food. So here the answer is written like first column you will write the name of plant, and in second column you will write the parts that we eat. So the first is apple tree. The fruits of apple are eaten as food, and the second, wheat plant. The seeds of children, the wheat which we eat, wheat flour we eat to make chapati, that is actually a seed of plant. Next is potato plant. The stem of potato plant is eaten as food. The fourth one is beetroot plant. Beetroot is also a root. I have given the example like radish and carrot. They are the primary root which are eaten as food. Here is beetroot. Beetroot plant is a root part of plant that we eat as food. The next is spinach. Spinach is a leaf part of plant which we eat as a food. Okay. The next question is question number 3 in next page. Yes, this is the question. Match the item given in column A with that in column B. This is match the pair, children. Here in the question, the two columns are there, column A and column B. So when we write the answer of match the pairs, we always just you have to copy the content of column A. Column A, the content of column A will be the same, and in column B will write the correct answers. For example, milk, curd, paneer, ghee. The answer is are all animal products. Okay. So when we write answers of match the column, in column B we will write the correct answers. Milk, curd, paneer, ghee are all animal products. Second is spinach, cauliflower, carrot. They all are vegetables. They all are vegetables. Here I am explaining the answers only, not the questions. Okay. So the spinach, cauliflower and carrot, they are the vegetables. And lion and tiger eat other animals. Children, I have explained you that lion and tiger eat other animals, so they are called carnivores. Okay. So lion and tiger eat other animals. Now next is herbivore. What are herbivores? Herbivores are the animals that eat plants and plant products. So children, if you watch my videos carefully, you can solve these exercises by their own also. There is no need to have any support. You can solve these exercises by their own because I have explained everything in my videos. Now next question is question number 4. Fill up the blanks with the words given. So children, here the words are given, but in question paper, when I said the question paper, I will not give you the words because you are not a little kid, you are not a primary children, now you are in middle section, so the words will not be given in question paper. So the first fill in the blank is tiger is a blank because it eats only meat. So we have learned that the animal, those who eat only meat, they are called carnivore. They are called carnivores. The answer is carnivore. Tiger is a carnivore because it eats only meat. Second, B. Deer eats only plants, products, and so is called herbivores. So, children, we have learned that the animals, those who eat only plant products, they are called herbivores. Next, C. Parrot eats only blank products. So, the answer is parrot eats only plant products. Parrots eats only fruits. Okay, that is a plant product. Next, D. The blank that we drink which comes from cows, buffaloes and goats is an animal product. So children, what we drink which comes from cow? Definitely you know the answer. The answer is milk. The milk that we drink which comes from cow, buffaloes and goats is an animal product. The last one is we get sugar from sugar cane. We get sugar from sugar cane. The sugar that we use as chini also we call it. So it is obtained from sugar cane. This is also a plant product.
Now lesson 1 is completed. Let's revise lesson number 2. The first question of lesson number 2 is name the major nutrient of our food. And the answer is the major nutrient in our food are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. Major nutrient of our food are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamin and mineral. Second question is name the following the nutrient which mainly give energy to our food. So the answer is carbohydrates. As we have learned that fat and carbohydrate both provide energy, but our body mainly obtain energy from carbohydrate to perform different activities. B. The nutrients that are needed for the growth and maintenance of our body. So children, we all know that the bodybuilding food is protein. Okay. So protein is a nutrient which is needed for the growth and maintenance of our body. C. Vitamin required for maintaining good eyesight. So vitamin A is required for good eyesight. Due to the deficiency of vitamin A, we suffer from night blindness. Okay, so vitamin A is needed for good eyesight. D. A mineral that is required for keeping our bones healthy. We all know that children, when we take calcium in our food, it helps our bones to be strong. It helps it to keep our bones strong. So calcium is a mineral that is required for keeping our bones healthy. Fourth question is tick the statement that are correct. So the first statement is by eating rice alone we can fulfill nutritional requirement of our body. So children, by eating single food item we cannot fulfill our nutritional requirement. For this we need to eat balanced diet. So this is wrong. Second statement is deficiency diseases can be prevented by eating a balanced diet. Yes, balanced diet provides all the nutrients to our body. So this is correct statement. Statement number C, balanced diet for the body should contain a variety of food items. Yes, that's why it is called balanced diet, because it contains all kind of food items which provide all kind of nutrients to our body. So this is correct statement. Now next statement is meat alone is sufficient to provide all nutrients to our body. So as we all know that children, any single food item is not sufficient to provide all kind of nutrients to our body. So this is wrong statement. Next question is name two food each rich in fat. So first fat. So the food item rich in fat are ghee, oil, butter, cheese, chocolates. Okay. Next is starch. Potatoes, rice, beans, peas. These are the food items which are rich in starch. C. Dietary fibers. Dietary fibers are always present in the peels of fruits and vegetables. So carrot, cabbage, carrot, split peas. These are the food which are rich in dietary fibers, excepted if the option is peels of fruits and vegetable or whole grains, then you can take these answers because this is the correct answer. For dietary fibers are also present in the peels of fruits and vegetables, and it is present in whole grains. Next is protein. So protein is a bodybuilding food which is obtained from milk, egg, fish, meat and pulses. Fifth question is fill in the blanks. The first fill in the blank is caused by deficiency of vitamin D. So children, ricket. The answer is ricket. Ricket is caused by the deficiency of vitamin D. Deficiency of blank causes disease known as beriberi. So the answer is vitamin B1. Deficiency of vitamin B1 causes disease known as beriberi. Deficiency of vitamin C causes disease known as scurvy. Night blindness is caused due to deficiency of vitamin A in our food. So now lesson 1 and 2 completed. Let's have a practice for MCQ question. The first question is, we get sugar from blank. First option is rice, second is sugar cane, and third is wheat. So the correct answer is sugar cane. We get sugar from sugar cane. Next question is, we get energy mainly from. First option is fat, second is protein, third is carbohydrates. So children, as I have taught you that we get energy to perform different activities mainly from carbohydrates. Though fat also provide energy, but mainly our body obtain energy from carbohydrates. Third question I have taken from lesson number 3 children. Cotton is obtained from. First option stem, second option is cotton bolls, and third option is leaf. So as we all know that cotton is obtained from cotton bolls, means fruit part of the cotton plant. So the correct answer is cotton bolls. So children, in this way you have to give the answers of multiple choice questions, and the questions will be formed from the exercises given in the end of the lesson, which we have already explained you, which we have already given in the notes. So learn all the exercises. If you will learn all the exercises, definitely you will be able to answer of all MCQ questions. So children, take care of yourself, prepare yourself for the test. Best of luck. Have a nice day.